Gotcha. Help me understand a little bit more some other applications this could be used in outside of just general coverage. Or is general coverage really the only application that it works well in?
Oh, I
Oh,
can think
no.
of at least 3. Yeah, go for it, Michael.
Corners of a building they're amazing at. So you can put it on a wall mount and have it right there at the corner, and you can see all the way around that corner. It's great. You can pick up so much not really detail, but you have a better understanding of what's going on without having to add 2 cameras to that particular corner, covering, a portion of what this camera would be able to do.
And that's an important thing for a lot of people, because running cable, if you have to run 2 or 3 cameras to cover that corner, talking 2 or 3 camera or cable runs, you're talking 2 or 3 extra cameras, and then you're talking 2 extra spaces on your recorder too. So that's it's not just in terms of getting 1 camera is great, but you got to think of the additional hard drive space and everything that comes along with doing that. So.
And also being able to see straight down. That's another thing about a corner that I had a customer compliment that particular camera on, was that he was able to see straight down rather than having that blind spot for 2 cameras that he was going to use, because, unfortunately in his position, there was a lot of illegal activity that he needed to catch and get, to the authorities. And that camera was able to help him do that.
Thank you so much for watching this In the Trenches Roundtable clip. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out that full video and the link in the description below, or reach out to us at getscw.com. Looking forward to helping.